Namale ye kugam sa taren di nyen do na lo la kargin soya ke tene lakcha sing ne sebe ndi sing gi lakcha de kan chi soya me ti to la se ya de ba nyen do soya sirona
ta de machine ge to bya le la shu yore tigas mo top sai tongbo dagi ringbu shu ji yore nge cha za ton don no top sha de tigas chas
tadi juga ringbu di nge debe soya ge chashi ta yo ta ringbu di nge tongbu yi dang sha bai na su sene paji tigas mo ko mi do chu kangs to kangs chu na ri do ta dam tu sene sur la tu bore machine di nge ka gyuri ba 45 angle gyuri du duk sene sur tu pirwa sur tu bi undu duk sene ni jane sur topsha sur jibuji gyang topsha na suju sur thongwa de pajola jibuji gyang sur pajola topsha na topsen to semoni de kado yuya chi do yanya ye to bi chi so chani jo bi to bi chi so an shin ni na ne chig de tup se bai ni ba de ya to bi la so sur ni do san topsha na sur de topsha 안디 지부지냐 파줄라 지부지냐 또비하게 됩시다 삼성 여기도 요에는 아니야 또잖아 미신기 또비던데 차를 부인 거래 다다 접시 잘도 같이 뚝스네 배세도 잘기도 와 접시 딱다 잘기도 와 뚝스네 지난 din도 거야 민도 갈라 다들 미신디 그라인더 디야 배주 최초지 ine ken ba nyam nyu me ba na ti kyune le ga tsane manaro shina sa bu shu yore ta da youtube yo sur ne na cho gi ta shin tong ba de des ju gu du nam ju ji gi da shu ko gu gore ti machine di gi le ga ju shu thang gre du sene ki man de ne da sur chu ju du chu ju ji kwae de la sur ni ne tu shen de ta da chen so 파주 수네야 동바 텐션을 받던데 두 센텐셔도 테네 대변기 세니디 따다 태용 그래 지금 사바제 아니야 지금 지금 또 비아이 미신데 템포 슈셈 그래 라페 마센데 미신데 유네 참잔 소설 포야냐가 요래 대스 투고 땀네 또다기 기마기 싱 투고 하마지요 안디디 독스네 기마네 마부 바샤나 테스트 바샤나 안데 로브 차이데 자기 싱 첨부디 메지아 좀 와서 니네 데빈스야라 체주만도 소단도 찍바이 맞제 दूसरी की माने छजा भाषा ना चुंचु भाषा ना दूसरी की मामा दूसरी भाषा टेस्ट भाषा ना तो से कोया पे ले लो शु तंगाला लाचा शिंबा शिदा मिदो ngi songi kyune दूसरी pa 제샤 바이나 도스는 싱디 거야디 레라부 차루도 다기 싱 퉁퉁퉁도 파토 샤라와 디 손디기 테스트 잡인도 코나 거야용래 레라부 슈라 거야 또 타말로 독스는 섭다 디가스 퉁기도 섭다 디가스 퉁 사와 슈라 아니 kopsa 베지타인데 나라 미신 친주인데 지요 디기 레라고요 디 미신디 따두고서 레라고로 주도와 베지탄도 레라고 싫어요 말에 미신 강자 dinderesha 레라고 주니면도 통도 레라고 슈이스 통해요 같이 무엇을 레갈레 지연도 하고 슈지도 미신 찾아 디 슈고 봐야 지디야 세 노브 싫어요자 라보 때우 싫어면 바이나 람사 소소 라발라 뇌균요야 nya chambu yo sabzan nang be 또 대변 소디 섭다 단자와 차장도 선 디티링이 세바이 디 소디가라 렐라브큐네민도 슈크침부 심고레 슈크침부 마스미나 티셔츠 소솔 바야냐가 여레 슈크침부 심디 라가치엔디 라사마 부르텐체 원데 나수 대야다디 디용도 대참 마세베 지디기 소솔 라볼 바야 비야냐가 참부 용도 지디기 카 펜노베레 테스 툭sam치 바바 람사 바제게 किसी कैनवा कंजे की न्याम्यो में जो चाले नम्दु कोला सबसम नारो दी मशीन से चुनचुन दिगी और दे कोसा ताया तेसे खाले का वो युसा जिंजे तेबला ये तेला ले लावशिरा योंगियो थामला तेबेंगे जचे डबरॉप समदिन ड्रॉप शादु ता दांदो दिला लेगा छायो मारे दिला दांदो कोपसा यांग ने यांग तारवेना ने तेबेंदी sobdata ani pugata kanji tone zbushira toyaji sodogure kandedo titebe mabu chisebei maransu luptu mabuchiyo konambala pubai.
Join me as I dive into the world of Buddhist butter art and challenge myself to create an intricate piece using only traditional techniques. Buddhist butter art is a unique and intricate form of artistic expression that holds great cultural significance in Tibetan Buddhism. This traditional art form has been mesmerizing people for centuries with its striking colors, delicate designs, and of course, its buttery medium. Creating these elaborate butter sculptures is no easy feat. It requires an immense amount of skill, patience, and dedication. The artist must work with precision, as even the slightest mistake can ruin the entire piece. Moreover, the ephemeral nature of the medium adds an extra layer of challenge. The butter can melt, soften, or even spoil, making it difficult to work with. Additionally, the artist must contend with the ever-changing temperature and humidity levels, which can affect the consistency of the butter. This means they must be adaptable and able to adjust their techniques on the fly. Furthermore, the butter sculptures are often created as offerings to the gods, so the artist must be mindful of the spiritual significance of their work. Despite these challenges, the artists who practice Buddhist butter art are driven by their passion and creativity. They pour their hearts and souls into each piece, often taking hours, even days, to complete a single sculpture. The end result is always breathtaking, with intricate designs, vibrant colors, and an undeniable sense of spirituality. There are various styles and techniques used in Buddhist butter art, each with its own unique characteristics. Some artists specialize in creating intricate flowers, while others excel at crafting delicate mythical creatures. Some sculptures feature vibrant colors, while others are more subdued, with a focus on texture and pattern. Common themes in Buddhist butter art include the 8 auspicious symbols, the 5 Buddha families, and the 6 realms of existence. These symbols and motifs hold deep spiritual significance, and the artists take great care to ensure that they are accurately represented. The symbolism behind each design is often complex and multifaceted, adding an extra layer of depth to the art form. Let's take a step back and appreciate the skill and dedication involved in creating these stunning butter sculptures. In this time lapse, you'll see an artist at work, crafting a large and intricate piece from start to finish. Watch as they meticulously shape and mold the butter, adding delicate details and patterns with precision and care. As you watch this time lapse, remember the hours, even days, of work that went into creating this single piece. The artist's hands move deftly, with a precision that comes from years of practice. The butter seems to come alive in their hands, taking shape and form as they work. The finished sculpture is breathtaking, a true masterpiece of Buddhist butter art. The colors are vibrant, the designs intricate, and the symbolism rich and complex. It's a testament to the skill and dedication of the artist, and a reminder of the beauty and significance of this traditional art form. Buddhist butter art is more than just a beautiful craft, it's a spiritual practice, a way of connecting with the divine and expressing one's devotion. It's a celebration of community, a way of bringing people together in a shared experience of beauty and wonder. Thanks for joining me on this journey into the world of Buddhist butter art. If you have any thoughts or questions about this incredible art form, be sure to leave them in the comments below. And if you're interested in exploring more cultural art forms, be sure to check out our next video.